Michelle. So today is a cook and clean with me. I just got off work and now I am preparing dinner for us tonight. I'm gonna make spaghetti, which is a favorite of mine and Keisha's. So I definitely wanted to document my first time cooking spaghetti in our new home. So sit back and relax while we vibe out together and make dinner, and then we're gonna clean up later on after dinner.
I'm gonna record some ambience and put it in this track.
So I lost my meat separator, masher, whatever it's called, in the move, so I'm having to use a spatula to break down the beef. That's okay. I'm using ground beef. We typically use ground turkey, but we wanted ground beef today. And I like to use the 2-1 ratio, so 2 parts sauce, 1 part meat, because Keisha likes it extra saucy and I don't mind that at all. I like to use birria, and I also like to use birria pasta. So here I'm just going to season the mixture with onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, basil, and a little bit of chicken bouillon cube. That is the secret sauce here. I'm just gonna let that simmer and get my noodles on. I'm going to plate up our food. This night I made some garlic toast to go alongside it, and these are the new dishes that we got from Walmart. The bowl is very small, so it's good for portion control, I guess. And we also are using the black utensil, black flatware, because can you say silverware if it's not silver? So I'm just gonna go deliver Keisha's food. I'm gonna sit down and eat dinner together. If you're new here, my name is NikiaTheSkinTherapist. I live in Atlanta, Georgia with my wife, Keisha. We just celebrated our 2nd wedding anniversary. Here on my channel, you'll find vlogs, clothing hauls, homemaking, and aesthetic tips because I'm an esthetician. However, I currently only practice virtually. I'm a homemaker that works from home, and I enjoy uploading special moments in our lives. I enjoy sharing life with you guys. So if you're interested in things to do in Atlanta, fashion and aesthetic tips, or how I maintain my home while working from home, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Still in the process of unpacking our home and getting settled into our home, but our kitchen is 95% done thanks to my grandma. She came to stay with us for a week to help us get settled in. So I'm gonna give you guys a kitchen tour very soon. I'm waiting on 2 more items and then I'll give you a tour of the kitchen. Are you team double sinks or single sink? I am so happy to have 2 sinks again. In our last home, we only had 1 big sink and I was not a fan. So I'm so happy to have 2 sinks again just because it just makes cleaning so much easier for me. So let me know in the comments below if you prefer 1 sink or 2 sinks. So I am familiar with the flat top stovetop. I did have this in the last home and I can admit I did not take care of that thing. But I have learned, I have researched, so I know how to keep this sparkling clean. So as you've seen earlier, I like to use the stovetop just to clean up the sauces or spills. Then I like to go in with the SOS pad, and then I like to follow up with a paper towel, and then I follow up with that with a disinfectant wipe. So I know it's a lot, but it works for me. It's been working for me, and the stove still looks good as new. All know this is the final step of cleaning the kitchen. It's doing the floors. This is the wood Swiffer wet jet that we got, and I use this every day just to clean the floors. I need to research to see if I can use this on the floors every day. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.